Hello, this is David again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, David Shockley Fun Times. I hope everyone has gotten off to a great start on the new year, 2025, and everything's going well for you. I want to thank all of you that have subscribed to my channel so far. I'm up to 59 subscribers now. And thank you very much. I have set a new goal of trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of January. So help me out if you've not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Help me get to 100 by January 31st. If you like my video today, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you'd like to. I enjoy reading your nice comments and enjoy my videos. I do all kinds of videos during the year. A lot of them of my vintage crafts. I do a lot of vintage floral arrangements for the holidays. I do a lot of videos with our garden and our knickknacks that we use in it. A lot of videos on my grandson and just many things you'll enjoy. So become a subscriber and follow me. Today I wanted to show you how we've decorated our dining room buffet for the winter this year. We have used a redbird theme in our buffet. And I wanted to share that with you today. And I hope you enjoy it. We're having some mighty cold weather this week here in Alabama. We're not used to the cold weather like we're having this week. We're supposed to get down to 25 degrees tonight. We've been having some snow flurries today. They're giving more snow throughout the week. I know a lot of the country is having a lot of winter weather this week. Our little redbird theme here in our buffet fits in well for this week. The redbirds help cheer us up in the winter time. We've used all types of redbirds, along with some other vintage collectibles we have. Fun times in the winter. Redbirds, children playing. Our redbird dinner plates, we've had many years. That fits in well with our decor. This is an old bird vase planter from the 50s that we found at a thrift store and fixed a wintertime arrangement in it. So once again, I hope you've enjoyed just taking a quick look at how we've done our buffet this year for winter. If you like redbirds, try something like this of your own. Doesn't have to be in a buffet. It could be anywhere in your home. Again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, help me out. Subscribe and help me get to 100 subscribers by January 31st. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, please, and leave me a comment. And I appreciate you looking at my video and all of my videos I do. I've gotten a lot of nice comments from viewers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And be safe this week in the winter weather that we're having. Stay warm. And have a good day. Thanks again.